Alright guys, so today I'm going to be selling my exhaust so that I can get a 3-inch pipe welded on it. I don't know if that's going to happen today or tomorrow, but I'll show you guys a clip of how my car sounds now. All it is the downpipe from the turbo. It's a 3-inch downpipe into a 3-inch half mid pipe, and then the other half is 2.5 or 2.5, and the muffler is a 2.5 to 3-inch exit. But I'm trying to get all 3-inch all the way through. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled her in real quick. I started it up, and on that cold start, got her in the garage real quick so the exhaust won't get too hot. But we'll get her. I've already put one side up. I'm gonna go put the other side up. And I always keep the jack under there for a third safety. And I also put another wheel underneath for a fourth safety. Because I don't want to die, you know. I don't want the car falling on me and die. It's not my time yet. But here's what I'm selling. I'm selling my mid pipe to my Tanabe medallion muffler, which cost me $600. Alright, I got the bolts out and the nut off this mid pipe. I used an impact. You don't need an impact, but it'll help. And then right here, I don't really think I need to take those off. I just probably need to take off the hangers, the rubber hangers, and then this whole thing would come off. I think the best way to take these off, because it's always super hard to get them off, is with a little bit of spray of WD-40. You just get underneath there and just squirt, and on top, you get it all lubed up on all of them. Oh yeah. Where's the other one? Last one. Alright, so got her out. I sprayed some simple green. You know, get her all shiny for the new owner. There's nothing I can do about those pipes. But I don't know if I want to take it apart for him, or I don't know. I'm gonna give him a call and see if he wants it in 2 pieces. I'm gonna do the video of how it sounded before right now. Alright, so she is all cleaned up. Just gotta throw her in the Jeep. Yeah, this guy's getting a really good deal on it because I got it for almost 700 bucks. That's with shipping. And then I'm selling this guy for like 260. But I mean, I guess, you know, there's some scrapes on it from scraping, and the pipes look not new, but it's a really good sounding muffler if you guys are looking for it. I mean, there's a couple videos on YouTube. You just type in Tanabe medallion exhaust, and it's just a cutback exhaust. At idle, you could barely hear it inside. You know, especially when you turn on the music just a little bit, you can't hear it at all. But when you're on wide open throttle, you can really hear the sound of your motor. especially when you have headers with it. So with headers and these pipes, it's not obnoxious at all. It sounds so good. I don't have a rolling video, but I'm pretty sure somebody else does, because I was too excited to take it off and get my 3-inch pipe welded on there. I will be doing a rolling video and idle and anti-lag, everything on that exhaust once I get it on. Should be tomorrow, because right now they're almost closing. I'm gonna drop it off during lunch, and then they said that it should be done in like 2 hours. So after work, I'm gonna go pick it up, and then I'll do the exhaust sound clips. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the car and hand it over to the guy. Alright guys, so got the old exhaust off. It's in the Jeep. Right now I'm only running mid pipe, and I'm gonna go to Walmart to meet up the guy, and you know what we gotta do? We gotta turn her on and see how she sounds with just the down pipe and half of a mid pipe. She sounds so good. Hopefully the sound will stay the same once we put the 3-inch pipe on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop the exhaust off. Alright, what's up guys? I'm at Jacksonville 4x4 and getting my exhaust done. Hopefully it'll sound good. The guy seems pretty cool. My buddy's Mustang got done here, and it sounded really good. So, and they're not out for the money, you know, they're pretty honest people. But yeah, I got Nelson here to take me, and then later on have somebody else drop me off here to pick it up. But yeah, they got some pretty cool stuff here. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, so call that number if you guys want to get exhaust done for a good price, you know, not like a 2-inch pipe for 600 bucks, you know. But these guys are hooking me up. It's literally from the mid pipe, like I said, from the mid pipe to the exit, less than 200 bucks. So yeah. I think it's just a tip. Yeah. If it had a tip. Alright guys, so we just picked up the Lexus IS300 from Jacksonville, 4x4, and they did an amazing job, and it sounds so good. First thing we're gonna do is do the 2-step, or the launch control, or however you want to call it, anti-lag, and then we'll do some rolling shots so you guys can hear it. But this is the 3-inch from the turbo back, so we'll do that right now. This is how it sounds on just idling.
2-step. Here we go. I'm kind of. My ears are ringing. I'm gonna stand back a little, that hurt. Yeah. Action.
have a bracket on my phone, but I mean, there's a way for you guys to hear it while I'm just cruising around. But yeah, it sounds really good. It doesn't sound annoying at all. That sounds amazing to me. It's pretty dark out, so you can't really see much, but it just sounds so good. Especially when I downshift, it does a huge bang, and it has that crackle popple, like popple. I'll just shut up so you guys can hear, I guess. I'll do a little bit of downshifting and pulls. Yeah, this thing is insane. I love it. But shout out to Jacksonville 4x4. They got a new place, so make sure you guys, if you guys know where Jacksonville 4x4 is, they just moved into a new place in December. So I guess just Google Map it. The Google Map has it right. So. Woo! I love it. Alright, we are back at the house now. She just sounds amazing. But that's it. We'll be going to what, Cars and Coffee at Wilmington? Saturday
morning.
Yeah, so we'll get that whole thing.
My heart's going like 100 miles an hour. Like a shotgun blast. It was like so loud the whole time in my car. I was like, it was crazy.
Yeah, he was behind me the entire time, so every time I would downshift, it would backfire so loud. But it was louder with just the 2.5 and a bunch of mufflers and resonators. But now it's just straight, so it's just like
big flames. Yeah,
10 times, louder. But I'm just ready for GRB's exhaust comp on, what was it, February 7th?
Be there or be square.
Yeah. So just end it.
All right, big turbo. We'll see you. Peace and love.